Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Android app and adding streaming libraries. This is the fastest path. Add Exo Player and OK HTTP to Gradle, then sync. Once done, create a simple activity layout with player view and network permission entries in the manifest. You should also enable internet capability and set Min SDK to 21+ to simplify media codec support. Make sure to organize packages. UI, Player, Network. Now create a Player Manager class to centralize Exo Player setup and lifecycle handling. You now implement the core playback engine and why each part matters. Initialize Exo Player with a sensible track selector and load control so buffering behaves predictably. This avoids stutters on mobile networks. Construct media source based on stream type, HLS or Dash for adaptive bitrate, progressive for MP4. Add a simple cache using Cache Data Source Factory to reduce rebuffering. Once prepared, attach the player to player view and handle on start, on stop, and on destroy to pause, release, and save position reliably. You finish by wiring UI controls and making playback robust across states. Implement play, pause, seek, and a basic quality selector that recreates media source with a different manifest. For background playback, move Exo Player into a foreground service with media session and notification so controls persist. Test extensively on multiple networks and devices. If playback fails, check network errors and content cores. Often incorrect MIME or manifest URL causes failure. Inspect Exo Player events and a dblogcat to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.